What's up, everybody? Hey, it's another day. I'm gonna take this aircraft cable. I'm gonna go underneath the van. I'm gonna wrap the catalytic converter up with this aircraft cable, and then hopefully be able to tie off the ends with the bolting assembly, and then I'll put the motion activated alarm on it too. Well, now I have all the aircraft cable unraveled. It's time to go underneath the van. Right down here, you can see the aircraft cable. I tried to use that. The problem is, if I use the aircraft cable, it's gonna rattle against the bottom of my van like an ice cream truck. So I think in the future, I'm gonna try to find a washing machine or a refrigerator, and I'm gonna cut a piece out of it and use it as a skid plate over the catalytic converter. I think what I'm about to do right now is I'm going to put away the cable, try to put it in a spot like, you know, in the box or something like that. Then I'm gonna go get the drill and I'm gonna try to remove some of the rust on the top. See, I have to remove all that rust up there. Well, you can tell I have been tearing off some of the rust already. I wanna get the rust off because I wanna put on a layer of paint there to protect it, and then I'm gonna put it on the racks. As I take a beer break, I'll tell you something. One of the things I was looking at in my electrical, well, the fan is working yet again, but over here, I disconnected the fan or the lights from up there, up that white little switch, because I found out what the problem was. It wasn't across ground, it was because those lights, if they swung inside like that one over there, right past the ladder, you can see it's backwards. So it's probably hitting the wall, which is the ground, and it would short out my batteries for a second. That's why the BMS probably shut everything down. Everything is back to normal now, which is great. I'm glad everything is normal because I was so worried it was the batteries or with the temperature or something like that. So right now, we'll get back to the sanding off all the friggin' rust, and then we'll get to painting. Uh-oh, fan just shut off. Why did the fan shut off again? Oh my God. The fan just shut off again. The battery is only 12 volts right now, so the shunt is actually lying to me. So maybe the battery is running out of power. I mean, I did run the fan a long time yesterday, and it's been shorting out, so that could have taken some of the energy out. Batteries could be unsynchronized, so it's going to take a long drive to recharge the batteries because I don't want to hook up the shore power right now to recharge the batteries. I'd rather do it through the DC to DC charger. It might be difficult to see, but you can see the rust is off now, and now it's a beer time, and then we'll start painting. That little step that goes into my van does make a good beer rest. So it's not perfect right now where I did the painting. There's a lot of spots where it's uneven, but the main part is I'm covering the rust, and after it dries, it'll look better going down the street, especially when the racks are on. But that's about it that I'm doing tonight. I am wrapping it up here right now because I did make a big mistake. As I was painting, I spilled some paint tonight. Anyway, I hope you had an enjoyable time watching my video, and I'll show you where, like, you can see some paint right there. That sucks. I'm trying to clean it up the driveway right now, and even my hands have paint residue and stuff like that. But remember, subscribe, comment, like the video, and I'm gonna do more videos. I still gotta do the solar, I still have to do the Rex. I gotta wait for the gland to come in, but I did order that. And then I ordered something for my Wi-Fi access point, and I'm gonna tell you all about my phone account that's gonna rock your socks. Remember, stay tuned. Bye, bye, bye.